Zoe was excited as she sat down in Dr. Thompson's class, ready for another adventure in the world of animals. Today, the lesson would be about animal behavior and communication. I can't wait to learn how animals talk to each other, she thought eagerly. Dr. Thompson greeted the class with a warm smile. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how animals behave and communicate. It's fascinating to see how animals express themselves, whether it's for survival, finding food, or attracting a mate. Zoe raised her hand. How do animals communicate with each other? She asked. That's a great question, Zoe, Dr. Thompson said. Animals communicate in many ways, through sounds, body language, even smells. Let's explore the different types of animal behavior and how they help animals survive. Dr. Thompson started by drawing a diagram on the board, illustrating different types of behavior. First, we have innate behavior, she explained. These are instinctual actions that animals are born with, like a spider spinning its web or a bird migrating. These behaviors are hardwired into the animal's brain. Zoe thought for a moment. So, animals don't have to learn these behaviors, they just know how to do them. Exactly. Dr. Thompson smiled. Then there are learned behaviors, which are actions animals acquire through experience. For example, birds learn to sing by hearing other birds. Young wolves learn how to hunt by observing their pack. Zoe nodded. That makes sense. But what about social behaviors? I've seen animals, like wolves and elephants, working together. Why do they do that? Dr. Thompson wrote social behavior on the board. Social behavior refers to interactions among members of the same species. Many animals, like wolves and dolphins, cooperate to hunt or protect each other. This type of behavior is essential for survival in some species. Zoe thought about her pet dog, Max, who always wagged his tail to greet her. Is that a type of communication? Yes, Zoe, Dr. Thompson said enthusiastically. Animals communicate not only through sounds, but also through body language. For instance, a tail wag in a dog shows excitement or happiness, while cats may communicate their mood with their tails or ears. Dr. Thompson then moved to the next section. Another important type of behavior is survival behavior, which helps animals stay alive. This can include actions like finding food, avoiding predators, and seeking shelter. For example, a rabbit might freeze when it senses danger to avoid being spotted by predators. Zoe's eyes widened. Wow, that's pretty clever. But what about reproductive behavior? How do animals communicate to attract a mate? Good question, Dr. Thompson said. Animals have all kinds of courtship behaviors, like a male bird singing or a peacock showing off its feathers. These behaviors help animals find mates and reproduce. For many species, attracting the right mate is crucial for survival. Dr. Thompson then turned on a video showing different animals' courtship rituals. Zoe watched in awe as a lion roared to establish dominance, and a bird performed a dance to impress its mate. I didn't know animals had such creative ways to find each other, Zoe thought. Next, Dr. Thompson explained the various methods animals use to communicate. Animals communicate in several ways: visual signals like color changes or body language, auditory signals like bird songs or wolf howls, chemical signals like pheromones that ants use to mark trails, and even tactile signals like grooming or nuzzling. Zoe raised her hand. So, does that mean animals talk to each other just like we do? In some ways, yes, Dr. Thompson replied. For instance, bees use a waggle dance to tell other bees where to find flowers, and wolves howl to communicate with their pack, whether it's to call the group together or defend their territory. That's so cool, Zoe exclaimed. Do all animals communicate this way? Not all animals use every method, Dr. Thompson explained, but many animals rely on at least one of these forms of communication. For example, pheromones are especially important in insects, like ants and moths, who use scent signals to communicate. Zoe thought about her own dog again. Max definitely uses his body language to communicate with me. He'll wag his tail when he's happy and sometimes give me a little nudge when he wants attention. Dr. Thompson smiled. Exactly. And that's the same for many animals. Animals are constantly sending and receiving signals, whether through sound, sight, smell, or touch. Understanding these behaviors helps us learn more about the lives of animals and their social structures. Zoe was fascinated by all the different ways animals communicated. This is amazing, she thought. I can't wait to observe more animal behavior and try to understand what they're saying. Dr. Thompson wrapped up the lesson by asking the students to observe and record the behavior of an animal over the next week. Remember, observation is key to understanding animal behavior. Pay attention to how the animals in your life, whether they're pets or wild animals, communicate with the world around them. Zoe was eager to get started. As she left class, she thought about all the incredible ways animals communicated and the important roles these behaviors played in survival, reproduction, and social interaction. She couldn't wait to observe more animal behavior on her own and continue learning about the animal kingdom.